Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the door catch and striker pin on a Rangemaster cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the door does not close properly or pops open during cooking, then it's likely to be a problem with the door catch. To replace the catch, remove the 4 screws and lift the outer door panel off. Next, remove the 2 screws The new catch will not have screw threads. Simply push the old screws firmly into the new catch as they cut their own threads. Refit the outer panel and screws and check the door closes correctly. To replace the striker pin, loosen the locking nut and twist out the pin. When fitting, adjust the pin length to correctly hold the door and lock in place with the nut. If excess heat escapes from around the door or it pops open when hot, adjust the pin length as required. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.